Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Ramadan has already started and this vlog starts from the day before because there's something about the day before Ramadan. A quiet shift in the air. Not loud, not visible, but deeply felt. It's not just the preparation of the home, it's preparation of the heart. The slowing down, the intention setting, the gentle reminder that a sacred guest is about to arrive. So today I'm beginning with the spaces around me, reorganizing, moving things, not because it's necessary, but because change brings a certain kind of freshness. Sometimes when you move a piece of furniture, you don't just find dust, you find forgotten corners, lost things, and strangely parts of yourself too. A new arrangement makes the same home feel new again, and Ramadan deserves that feeling. Before the groceries arrive from Lulu, I wanted to finish all the deep cleaning because once everything comes in, if there isn't a system, it quickly turns into chaos. Thankfully, I have help at home, which makes many things easier for me. Not because these tasks are burdens, but because support creates space. Space to breathe, space to grow into the person you are meant to become. Taking care of a home is an act of love, but being supported allows you to also take care of your purpose, your health, your dreams, and your connection with the Almighty.
Papaya? Papaya? Papaya. Papaya. No! Papaya. Papaya. Papaya.
Cutting fruits and storing them in boxes has become one of those small habits. And not all fruits, just papaya, watermelon, sweet melon. Because I have noticed something simple. When it's ready and easy, the kids reach for it without thinking. In between all of this, I paused for a cup of tea. A small comfort, a familiar habit, but also a reminder that soon with the fitness challenge beginning, my body too will enter a new rhythm. Ramadan is not meant to weaken us, it's meant to reset us, to heal the gut, to calm the mind, to strengthen the soul. If you've joined the challenge, I hope you're feeling that shift already, not just physically, but mentally.
See my photo. Yeah.
I also wanted to prepare some samosas for the freezer, not to fill the table unnecessarily, but to bring balance. It's about mindful nourishment. Preparing ahead helps me cook only what is needed each day. The filling is simple, onion sauteed slowly. In goes ginger, garlic and green chillies. That's air fried chicken, crushed gently. Then goes coriander leaves, a little kasuri methi crushed between my palms. By the time it was ready, I was tired. The next day, I realized I hadn't changed the bed sheets, something I always do before Ramadan. I did it on the next day, that's on the first day of Ramadan. It was anyway Thursday. Thursdays are my changing sheets day. So it was perfect. Even kids now change their own sheets. I just have to remind them. And in moments like this, you realize they are growing. And so are you, in ways you don't even notice. There's also something I have been working on quietly these days. I haven't spoken much about it yet, but I'll share more very soon. I finished my exams and now I only have my practicals and internship left. For that, hopefully, I'll be traveling back home to complete everything. It feels good to slowly reach this stage after putting in so much effort. I'll update you all when the time comes. Managing these things alongside home life is only possible because I have support at home. Having help doesn't mean I don't do anything. I still like to do many things myself, especially the ones I feel connected to. But having that extra support gives me the time and mental space to focus on what I'm working towards. It allows me to sit down, learn, study, and work on things that are important to me without constantly feeling overwhelmed by everything at once. taking care of your home is important, but taking care of your growth is also important. And sometimes having the right support system makes it possible to do both with peace. I feel grateful for that. Arman loves helping me in the kitchen, so he came to prepare his favorite special drink that we make during the season, the hot Semolina Milk. He was very excited to help, but he had to leave halfway because it was time for his online tuition. If you have been watching my vlogs for a while, especially during the Ramadan, you'll definitely recognize this. It's something we make almost every day in Ramadan. It's very simple. You take the amount of liquid you need. I usually do half milk, half water. Instead of milk, use coconut milk. It tastes even better. Then add semolina in the ratio of 1 spoon for 1 glass of liquid and cook it slowly until it's done. Once this is ready, I turn off the flame and prepare a small tempering with shallots and cashews fried in ghee and add it on top. At the same time, I was also preparing lunch for Leon because he's the only one not fasting and I didn't want to forget in between everything. And then air frying the samosas that had been prepared earlier. Everything was happening quickly, especially towards the last moment. Finally, when everything was set on the table, there was this sense of relief. That moment when the work pauses and you can just sit down, breathe, relax, pray and be grateful. I couldn't take any videos much after that because I was honestly very tired by the end of the day. The only thing I remember filming was my family sitting together and eating and serving Leon his dinner as well. I had already eaten earlier after my workout because I was feeling very hungry. And just like that, the first day came to an end. I hope you had a beautiful day too and that you're taking care of yourself both physically and mentally. See you soon in the next one. Until then, take care and bye-bye.